What is your name?
My name is Julie.
Julie, how old are you?
I'm 7 years
Okay,
old.
so look at Lily, Tom, Billy, and Tim. How does Lily feel?
He is happy.
Good job. How does Tom feel?
He is sad.
Okay, is Billy hungry? Yes or no?
Yes.
Very good. Is Tim great? Yes or no?
No.
No, he
He
isn't.
isn't.
How do you feel right now, Julie? I'm
I'm happy.
You're happy. Very good. There are many shapes, Julie. Where is the circle? Circle. Very good, Julie. How many circles do you see?
Oh,
Very good. And what shape is it?
is a square.
Square. All right, very good. So now, find me the yellow square. Yellow square. Very good. So now, what is this, my dear?
This is a
Tra-
triangle.
Are there three triangles?
No.
Okay, so now is it a purple rectangle?
Yes.
It
It
is.
is.
All right, so what letter is it?
Letter
N.
N. Sound.
Okay, can you point out where is your nose? Your nose. All right, very good. So now find me one word only that starts with letter O. O,
Octopus
octopus. Very good. And what is it?
is a nut.
Not. Very good. So orange is start with letter C or letter O.
Oh.
Okay, so that's all for today. Judy, goodbye and thank you. All right.